beautiful dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with a brand new video. Now today I did partner with African Mall and I am super excited to share with you dolls a super trendy, super affordable, really cute, Baddie approved pre-fall items that I picked up today, okay? So if you want to see what it is that I got, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. So this particular dress I did see on a Kardashian. Hers had sleeves, but I thought it was really different and cute. I put this dress on and I was thinking that it's really comfortable. It's really stretchy and it's kind of thin. This is that material where you can kind of stretch it and you see the white. So the print is a little different, but when I say it feels good, it feels really good on. So I like the fact that it's bodycon and I love the fact that you can actually move around in it. That's why I'm doing a little dance. But I like how you can make it long or you can make it short because of the actual drawstring, which is in the front of the dress. I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up wearing this out somewhere, and I'm probably going to wear it with like a jean jacket or some type of cropped jacket and some little booties. Okay, next we have the two-piece set. Now this particular two-piece set I wanted to try because with African Mall, a lot of times some of their bottoms, they do not have a lot of stretch in them. Now this particular outfit I did get in a size 2X, and I'm happy that I did because the top I thought fit pretty well. Now the bottoms just couldn't get over my hips, y'all. So even though I got them up, you can still see they come pretty low in the back. Besides that, I do like the fit. They fit well on my ankles. This material is not cotton at all. So just keep in mind when you shop African Mall that a lot of their clothes will be that polyester, soft, shiny kind of feel. Okay, so I was expecting this to be cotton, but for the price, for less than 30 bucks, you can't beat it. All right, so next we have this two-piece set. Now I've seen this brand all over social media. I've always wanted to try this brand out. Something tells me this is just a replica of the brand. So you get the look if you wanted to do Instagram pictures or if you wanted to just look cute when you're running errands, going to the gym, doing yoga, whatever. But there's no compression with this. I am an avid lover of leisure wear and there's no compression. So this is strictly leggings. Honestly, I got this in an extra large. I wish I sized down because it does fit really stretchy and it doesn't have any support at all. So really cute look. The bottoms fit my ankles a little loose, so that's always something I always point out because for some reason I have really toned and skinny legs and ankles. But as far as the outfit, I just wish I sized down. So be sure to check down below. I'm going to go ahead and put my measurements and everything so you can find your perfect fit. All right, so next I have this dress. This is something I would never ever really buy, but I saw it on a model and it was so cute to me. So it is money print. I thought it would be fun to have as like a novelty item in my closet, whether I'm taking a themed photo shoot or something like that. But when it comes to this particular dress, it's pretty stretchy, but it just doesn't hold my shape well. I like dresses that hold me in, and this particular dress doesn't really hold me in, but I do think it looks just like the picture. So a lot of the African Mall items, they come as described as far as how they look. It's just that the fabric, again, this is a dress that's like that polyester shiny
Next
feel. We have this particular outfit. I always wanted to try one of African Mall's like bodysuits or like their jumpers or whatever. So this is like a jumpsuit. So far it fits okay. I mean, I like how the back actually covers any back rolls you may have. It shows you a peek of your stomach, so it gives you a little bit of that sex appeal. As you can see, it's rouged in the front, so that means it's going to cover any problem areas you have with your belly. And I do like how it's halters, so you can kind of control your girls without having to wear a bra. So all in all, I thought it was a cute outfit. The bottom of the pants are kind of like a jeanie, I guess. I don't know. It's definitely different. I thought it fit well. It's pretty thin, but it's not see-through, so it is lightweight. Now, I wanted to do a lot of different casual pieces because the fall to me means layers, and I thought this outfit is really cute because it can be layered. So this is a t-shirt dress. This is how long it is on me. The message is hilarious. International Curving Men Champion of the World. I thought it was cute. So anything black and white I like. I plan on wearing this with some jeans. I plan on wearing this with some booties or some sneakers and like a fitted hat, or even like a big, like, you know, floppy hat. I mean, you can really do it up because it's winter. You can kind of play with your own style, but I do like this shirt a lot. And believe it or not, this is a really good fabric. It's not that polyester fabric I was expecting, and it's not t-shirt fabric. It's kind of some type of fill in between, but the words are on really nicely, and I think it's a really nice graphic shirt with a comfortable stretch. I'm gonna pinch the sides probably so it gives me a better shape, but I can't wait to wear this. Okay, continued on with the casual slay. I love the symbol. Well, I love the message on this shirt. Stay humble, hustle hard. Okay, so I wanted something cute and casual. This is less than 30 bucks. This is actually a top and bottom. So these two pieces came together. The t-shirt is comfortable, it's stretchy. However, it does again have that one print on the side. So this is a fashion website. So at African Mall, you have to just understand you're getting what you pay for, but again, still really cute, really comfortable. I'm gonna rock this t-shirt. I love how it feels. The pants, they're okay. These particular pants are very stretchy, so that's, you know, super comfortable. They're not see-through, so that's pretty nice. And they kind of have that like polyester stretchy feel. Okay, so I'm trying to show you dolls that it kind of is see-through, but when it's actually on, it's not. So that's important to me because I don't want to wear shirts or anything that's too small that you can kind of see my booty. So yeah, I would recommend this set. Yeah, nothing bad I can say about it. These are still the same shorts, so I still wanted to show you dolls how the shorts look. And then this is a top, which I absolutely adore. So obviously I'll have to wear a different bra. This bra that I'm wearing right now, I just have tucked in, but you can wear a strapless bra because this is off the shoulders. I love the mesh on the arms. I think it's really dainty, really pretty. It's very comfortable, and it's less than 20 bucks. I can definitely see myself wearing this with a skirt. I can see myself wearing it with jeans. You can really play off of this shirt because it's multifunctional, I think. I mean, I think you can wear it whether it's dressed up or dressed down. So I am wearing a white bra and it's slightly see-through, but it's nothing that you can't prevent with a darker color undergarment. Now, I have a lot of black in this haul, so you have to be mindful of that. So I love this dress. If you remember my previous haul, I do have this same dress in a bright green, and I had so many compliments. I felt so comfortable in it. So long story short, I got it again in black. Now, this is a size large, so it does really stretch, y'all, and because it stretches, it holds you in. So I love this. You need to get this dress in this material in every single item. I love how sporty it looks with the thumb holes. I love that it zips up. You can wear it unzipped or zipped to your neck. The possibilities are really endless. You can dress this up in heels, but like me, I wore this before with my Balenciaga trainers. So yeah, this is a cute dress. It will serve body. You will feel good and comfortable in it, and it's super, super cute. Now, again, I'm obsessed with black. I think black is really chic, and I think black is really slimming, obviously. So this is less than 30 bucks. I got this dress in an extra large. I like it because it's long and it gives you a sex appeal to it because it shows you all your body. However, it covers you fully. It covers your chest. It covers your thighs. I mean, it's a really cute midi dress, okay? So it's easy to get into. That wasn't too bad, even though it's a mock neck. The material was stretchy and felt really good on. And I love the contrast detail. I think it looks really sophisticated. Now this dress I picked up because I've been in love with backless dresses lately. It does go pretty low in the back, as you can see, and it was kind of hard to get this up over my arms. So it's something I would have to play with, but I love the color. I love the fleece that it has on the inside, so it kept me fairly warm. And yeah, if you can get into it and you don't mind how short it is, girl, I would say get it because it felt really good on. And I love the color. So yeah, it shapes your body. Don't need a shaper. You don't need a bra. You can pull the straps in the back to make it as tight as you need. But yeah, it is kind of hard to get into, hence my deodorant marks. But yeah, I like it. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I do recommend African Mall because it's fast fashion, it's cute fashion, it's affordable. You can always find something that's really trendy, and honestly, the shipping doesn't take that long. The clothes, they pretty much come as expected. Again, fast fashion website. You get what you pay for, but I will keep bringing you these hauls. I hope these hauls are helpful for you to determine what to buy and where to get it, okay? So long story short, if you like these looks, go ahead and comment down below which look was your favorite. I also want you to comment if you ever shopped African Mall before and what the tea was. Like, let the girls know, okay? It's a resource, y'all. I want y'all to use my channel as a resource. I want you to share this video with a friend if you know someone that would like it. And of course, since you're here already, make sure that you're subscribed. It's free. Also, I have a fitness and a vlog channel. I'll put those links as well down below in the box so you can follow those too. Now, if you have Instagram and on Snapchat, definitely holler at me there. I will always try to comment, respond, heart, whatever. My name is @ChryssyTheDoll. And that's really it. I want to say thank you, dolls, so much for all your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.